Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and you are preparing for your upcoming exams. Students, now today we will start our lesson number 9, The Accidental Tourist, which is written by Bill Bryson. In this story, students, the narrator is a confused personality. Narrator means Bill Bryson. Now, narrator wonders how people manage to do things without any difficulty. He can't do anything in a normal way. He gets confused. He gives two examples. One, he goes many times to find the laboratory in a cinema but ends up standing in an alley on the wrong side of self-locking door. And the second is he often forgets the number of his hotel room and goes 2-3 times a day at the hotel reception to inquire about it. So while reading the first and second paragraph, you understood that he is a very confused personality. Now, when he at Logan Airport in Boston, what happens? Now, once he was going with his family to enjoy Easter holidays in England. While checking in, he suddenly remembered that he had recently joined British Airways frequent flyer program. Now it was in his carry-on bag. As he tried to open it, the zip got jammed. He pulled harder and harder. At last it snapped open. Everything in the bag spilled out far and wide on the floor in all directions. The lid of tobacco tin opened. He watched the spilling of expensive tobacco helplessly. Then he noticed blood coming out of his finger, which he had gashed while opening the zip. In panic, his hair stood up. His wife looked at him with wonder. As here you see in that picture that his back zip has snapped open and all the things at the floor. Now here there are other such experiences, like in another flight he was in helpless crash position when he leaned over to tie his shoelaces and someone in the seat ahead of him threw his seat back into full recline. Second, on another occasion, he knocked soft drinks twice into the lap of a nun sitting beside him. She uttered an oath in desperation. Third, worst experience was when he got his mouth, chin, gums and tongue colored navy blue. He was sucking one end of his leaking pen while in conversation with a pretty lady sitting beside him. Now there are some precautions taken by his wife. While they travel together, the wife takes some precautions. She tells her children to take the lid off the food for daddy or put their hoods up when daddy cuts his meat. When traveling alone, he never eats or drinks anything, bends to tie laces or put ends of his pen in his mouth. Now never got frequent flyer miles. He often forgets to ask for air miles or the clerk forgets to record them. He has flown about 100,000 miles but has only 212 air miles divided between 23 airlines. Now people often went to Bali in first class by using their air miles, but he could never collect so many air miles. So he never go to Bali in first class. Now difference in name on card and tickets. Once he was going to Australia by air, he was expecting to collect quite a lot of air miles for the distance was long. He gave his card to the check-in clerk to fill in the air miles, but she refused that privilege. The name on the card was W. Bryson, while on ticket it was B. Bryson. So he was not entitled. So there are lots of things which happened with the narrator Bill Bryson, so that he is called as this lesson the accidental tourist. So students, you have to read this lesson and try to understood once again.